Welcome fellow car lovers. There are two vehicles from Honda that seems to resemble each other very well, and while it is apparent that one is smaller than the other, we need to find out which is the better SUV. I am talking about the 2025 Honda Passport and the 2025 Honda Pilot. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe, like the video and hit that bell icon. Now, let's start with the video. The 2025 Honda Passport is the two-row SUV for pragmatists, with its no-nonsense styling, practical interior, and long list of features. What you won't find here is much fun or visual flair. However, the Passport doesn't have the off-road capability of the Ford Bronco or the refinement of the Santa Fe. Sitting atop the lineup for 2025, the new Black Edition trim suits up with gloss black 20-inch wheels, Black Edition badges, and other blacked-out exterior trim elements. The cabin gets a tuxedoed look as well, including embossed leather front seats and door mats featuring the Black Edition logo. The 2025 Honda Passport comes with only one engine option, and it is a 3.5-liter V6 producing 280 horsepower and comes standard with all-wheel drive. Maximum towing capacity is 5,000 pounds, while MPG rating is 19 city and 24 highway. MSRP ranges from $42,900 for the base EXL to $48,470 for the top Black Edition. The 2025 Honda Pilot also comes with a similar 3.5-liter V6, but this time it outputs 285 horsepower and comes standard with front-wheel drive, but is also available in all-wheel drive. Maximum towing capacity is also 5,000 pounds, while the combined MPG rating is 21 to 22 miles per gallon. MSRP starts at $39,900 and goes up to $54,280. The Honda Passport has many great aspects, and one of them is the fact that it has a higher ground clearance than the Honda Pilot and comes standard with all-wheel drive. Its smaller, more compact size also makes it more maneuverable in urban settings and easier to park. However, the Honda Passport is not perfect and has some bad aspects. Since it only has 2 rows of seats, it may not be ideal for larger families. The Passport can also be a bit expensive when compared to other 2-row SUV, and it only gets an 8-inch infotainment for all trims, which is 2 inches smaller than the biggest infotainment available for the Pilot. The Honda Pilot also has many pros. Unlike the Passport, the Pilot comes with 3 rows of seats, accommodating up to 8 passengers. Features like rear seat entertainment system and multiple USB ports for all 3 rows cater to family needs. Being larger, the Pilot also has more cargo capacity than the Passport. The Pilot is also not a perfect vehicle. While capable, the Pilot is not as rugged or off-road orientated as the Passport. It also only comes standard with a 7-inch infotainment screen and doesn't come standard with wireless phone charging, leather-trimmed seats and power rear liftgate unlike the Passport. In summary, the Honda Passport is tailored for those who prioritize off-road capability and a more rugged design, along with the benefits of a more compact and maneuverable SUV. It also comes with more standard features such as all-wheel drive, leather seats, and power lift gates. On the other hand, the Honda Pilot excels in providing family-friendly features, increased passenger capacity and a focus on comfort and technology for family-oriented travel. It may come standard with front-wheel drive, but it does have a lower starting price than the Passport. Which do you think is a better vehicle to buy? Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and subscribe.